Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Yesterday you have learned about how to write the chemical formula of a molecule of element or compound. Today you will study about making chemical formula of the ionic compounds. We know that ion that is formed by losing an electron is called positive ion or cation, and ion that is formed by gaining electron is called negative ion or anion. When these oppositely charged ions attract each other, the force of attraction develops between them, and this force makes an ionic compound. For example, this ionic compound like sodium chloride NaCl, magnesium chloride MgCl2 are ionic compounds, and there are three steps to write down its formula. Step 1 is the writing the symbols. The first one is the positive ion or cation on the left, and the negative is on the right side. Step 2 is to put the valency numbers or charges on the ion. In the last step is the crisscross method. In this method, the valency of both ion is the last step is to exchange the valency number only while omitting their signs, and remember that number 1 is also omitted in this process, and this method is called crisscross method. For example, here you can see the formula of silver chloride. The symbol of silver is +1 for the silver and -2 for the sulfide. While after exchanging their valencies and omitting their signs, it will come Ag2S. Next, for aluminium oxide, aluminium having +3 valency and oxide having -2. After exchanging valencies and omitting their signs, it will come as Al2O3 for the aluminium oxides. And similarly for magnesium chloride MgCl2. This example has been given taken from the activity 6.4. So the formula of sodium chloride is Na+1 and Cl-1. As we know, we have to omit signs as well as the number 1. So the formula comes as NaCl having no number or no sign. It means when the number or the valency is the same, it will cancel out each other. For aluminium chloride, Al+3 and Cl-1, after omitting their sign and exchanging their valencies, formula come as AlCl3. Students, today your homework is to learn the definition of ionic compound, crisscross method, and solve the remaining activity of 6.4.